Meaning of evolutionarily.
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 Evolutionarily. Evolutionarily refers to the changes that occur over time through the process of evolution. These changes can happen in biological organisms, cultural or societal norms, technology, and other systems as they adapt to their changing environments. The result of evolutionarily processes is a gradual transformation or development of traits, behaviors, or structures that allow living organisms to better survive and thrive in their surroundings. These adaptations can be seen in a range of organisms, from bacteria to mammals, and can lead to the development of new species over time. In summary, evolutionarily describes a long-term process of change that leads to increased success in adapting to changing conditions.